Yeah, I'm going to share you how you can draw step by step. We are going to try drawing nose, but within our series we will also discover the different techniques you can use as a beginner. That can help you to draw well. Yeah, we are going to start. First of all, you start with highlights. Yeah. This will be another increase. Then here we will be having another nose. And the highlights like this. For our reference, here we will be having a shadow, which goes like this. I'm just trying to have to imagine where the shadow will be, and where we will try to make dark to dark. Then let's start shading. After having our highlights, we are going now to shade. There are different techniques you can use while you are shading. We will be talking about more deeply in another videos, where they are shading by cross-hatching. Within this technique, the lines you are shading goes in different direction, like this. One direction up and down, another from like east to west. Another kind of shading is by using hatching. By hatching, you just draw lines through one direction. The third one is scribbling, where you draw, you use lines like this. Then by here we will try to mix all these techniques. First let's shade by hatching. Our lines will go in one direction. We try to maintain pressure so that we will not ruin our drawing. We will shade that highlighted areas, which has to be having a shadow. this is the first step. We are going to try to make it darker some area, making it dark. We will try to draw them in different direction, like this. But the good things the things we have to know, to keep in mind, within practice you don't aim it to be perfect. You don't aim perfection, you just aim progress. You try, you ruin it, you feel free to make some mistake. No problem, as long as you not solve, you will know, you will get to know it better, to do it better. Feel free. And I think that is the common myth many people has, which limit them to drawing, to do art, is because that they think they are people has to be too talented to draw. That's a myth. Everything you are willing to practice, you can do it. Everything. You can try, even not only in art, in every aspect of life, in different domains. Everything you are willing to practice, you can do it. Our second layer, I think it is not